Imagine what it would be like to climb into a rocket the size of Big Ben, blast off into space and be the first human to walk on the moon. Today, we're going back to 1969 to look at the story of Apollo 11, the historic spaceflight that landed the first humans on the moon. On the morning of July 16th, 1969, the United States of America got ready to launch its Saturn V rocket from Launch Pad 39A at Cape Kennedy, Florida, USA. At the time, it was the largest rocket ever built, at a massive 111 metres high. That's the same height as St Paul's Cathedral in London. When full of fuel, it weighed a whopping 2.9 million kilograms, which is around 241 double-decker buses. 3 astronauts were on board: Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins, and Edwin Buzz Aldrin. It sounds glamorous, but being an astronaut isn't easy. They had to go through a lot of training. This included practicing how to move around in their bulky spacesuits, and also test all the spacecraft's equipment. On launch day, Collins, Armstrong and Aldrin sat at the very top of Saturn V in the command module. At 9:32 a.m, Saturn V's engines fired and the rocket launched off from its tower. Just 12 minutes later, the astronauts were orbiting Earth. It took 4 days for the crew to reach the moon. Once they were orbiting, Armstrong and Aldrin climbed into the Eagle lunar module and landed on the moon. Meanwhile, Collins stayed in the Columbia Command Module, the primary home base. Fun fact, although he was part of the first moon landing crew, Collins never actually stepped foot on the moon. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon. He and Aldrin walked around for 3 hours. They did experiments, they picked up bits of moon dirt and rocks. To mark the occasion, they put up a US flag on the moon. After spending 22 hours on the moon, Armstrong and Aldrin returned to the command module using Eagle. The Apollo 11 crew returned to Earth and landed in the Pacific Ocean on the 24th of July. The module had a special heat shield which stopped it from burning up as it travelled through the Earth's atmosphere. At the time, it was the most watched event in the history of television. Nearly 600 million people watched. Across the USA, people held moon parties, recorded their thoughts in letters, and took family photos. Nobody was going to forget the day that man first walked on the moon. Apollo 11 wasn't just a quick trip to the moon, it took years of tough training, thousands of people working behind the scenes, and 3 very brave astronauts for Apollo 11 to become reality. It goes to show that when people work hard and dream big, incredible things can happen. Neil Armstrong summed it up perfectly when he stepped onto the moon and said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Thanks for watching and listening. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts and learning about important historical events with us. See you next time.